Hello there, is today's project. Next to it is King Edward II. Nice little good steam loco in proper British engineering. But unfortunately I'm not on this one today. I'm on this, on the RHTT. So I'm just doing preparation work, checking the locos through. We'll be replenishing the water tanks. We just moved them up now. We just fueled one engine. I fueled that engine yesterday. Going to give it a good clean when we get some proper trailer wash. Just a general closer look. And that's the actual spray head there, which sprays the track. It's driven by a Volvo Penta diesel engine and Woma pump at extremely high pressure. The engine is housed in that compartment. This RHTT unit, railhead treatment train, is running with 3 wagons. Some are running with just with 2. There's no sand lake applied now for the last 2 years. It's been water jetting only. But as you can see, I'm also servicing 6685 next to it. But 6023 King Edward II. Beautiful bit of engineering. Side rods. The old British rail. Line on wheel. Emblem. I guess she's waiting to go over, be transferred over to the Didcot Steam Centre. Maybe for a working weekend, perhaps, I'm not sure. But lovely bit of work. Nice engineering. Just copper pipe work. So yeah, I'd like to see this one in steam. But unfortunately, we've got the RHTT to do now. So we'll be running it up later on. We're just replenishing the water tanks now. We'll be running up the jet unit a bit later on in the day. But I must get back to the other job now, which is fueling the one next to it. Hopefully, over the next week or so, we got some better trailer wash and keep these clean. Our gang like to keep the RHTT clean as possible. We started cleaning tanks yesterday, but the weather is beating us. But later on we shall video, hopefully, of the spray unit. If you kept it there and run the engine up and put the spray on, it would actually make marks in the track. It's that powerful. But at the moment we're replenishing the tanks, as you say, off a fire hydrant. So the next stage now is to get the other loco done, and the other RHTT engine at the back. We're just going to do a walkthrough on that one, and they examined it yesterday, and off we go to do a water test later on.